The Today in Manufacturing podcast offers a powerful and unique perspective on the biggest stories impacting U.S. manufacturers. Anna Wells, David Manty, and Jeff Ranke apply their experience as editors of industry-leading brands Manufacturing.net and Industrial Equipment News in providing in-depth analysis of the latest headlines. Their insight, along with a mix of humor and human interest, makes Today in Manufacturing a go-to source. Keep pace with supply chain challenges, electric vehicle developments, labor struggles, robotics, and more by listening, downloading, and subscribing to the Today in Manufacturing podcast.
Mercedes-Benz yesterday announced a new logistics concept, a demonstrator that combines eSprinter vans with e-cargo bikes to sustainably solve the last mile riddle. The Sustaineer, or Sustainability Pioneer, tech demonstrator promises a look at delivery transport of the future. So, what does that look like? The electric van is based on the automaker's eSprinter. Mercedes-Benz already has fully electric versions of every commercial and private van, and the company expects them to make up more than half of total sales by 2030. The company didn't just come up with a tech demonstrator to show off what's possible. Mercedes-Benz wants something more makeable, with series production in mind. The concept was developed in partnership with Automotion, a German cargo bike manufacturer. The eSprinter acts as a mobile micro depot that brings rectangular containers filled with prepackaged goods and transfers them to cargo bikes that take them to the front door. The transfer takes a few minutes, so the eSprinter isn't idling for too long, and afterwards the van continues to the next bike or back to the warehouse for a refill. The concept makes sense for a number of industries, but Mercedes specifically identified opportunities for express delivery and parcel services, bakeries, food suppliers, and companies that provide uniforms and other business textiles. The wheeled containers have a volume of more than 2 cubic meters and a payload of up to 200 kilograms, about 440 pounds. The Sustaineer uses an integrated hydraulic lifting arm controlled with a handheld device to quickly load and unload the containers. The vans can hold up to 2 containers, but they also have shelving to transport bulkier products. The Ano e-cargo bike cabin is weatherproof, and riders can use bike paths to pull up directly to the doorstep, which speeds up delivery. The packages are sorted according to delivery route, so no searching and rearranging is necessary, and the bike has a 25-kilometer, or about 15.5-mile range. The bikes have replaceable 1.4 kilowatt-hour batteries that offer pedal assist up to about 4 miles per hour and an onboard backup battery which doubles the range. Finally, because it's a bike, a driver's license isn't required, which really helps expand the available workforce. The vans have an innovative driver heating and cooling concept that only moderates the temp close to the driver's body. Mercedes has been testing the method, and it has thus far proven to significantly reduce the energy required to heat the large driver's cabin, which could have a huge impact on range. The company also worked with filtration specialist Main and Hummel to add a particulate filter that significantly minimizes the ingress of particulates from tire wear, braking, and asphalt. The van even has a solar panel on the roof and components made from recycled materials. Whether or not the Sustaineer is the future of delivery, it will certainly help Mercedes in its efforts to make its entire fleet of vans net carbon neutral along the entire value chain and the entire life cycle by 2039. I'm David Manty. This is Manufacturing Now.